Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Joey and this is my YouTube channel, Burtoni Motors. In today's very quick video, I'm going to show you how to take off the two front roof panels on a two-door Ford Bronco. First off, start on your driver's side. It will make the process much easier. Very first step, drop down the visor. Boop, boop. From there, there's this big latch up top. Drop that down. And then from there, there's three L-shaped brackets. You basically twist. One at the front, like that, and then two at the rear. From there, the top's just gonna come off. 3, 2, 1, easy push. So now that the driver's side is done, you want to move over to the passenger side and you're just going to repeat the process. Visor down. And just like that, you're done. If you wanted to redo that, you start with the passenger side, go through those three levers and the switch, and then jump to the driver's side, do the same thing again. It's very simple to do. It's going to get a little more difficult because I'm about to add a roof rack to it, which is going to make things a little more difficult. But that's it for today's video. If you guys like Bronco content, you might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this video with your friends. Much more Bronco content coming soon. All right, thank you all for watching. Go out there and drive safe.